This summer, satisfy your taste buds quench with fresh, crispy, spicy and creamy vegetarian sandwich. Slice the baguette in half or use any other sandwich bread of your choice. Smear delicate and tangy caper mayo on both sides. Then add fresh crispy lettuce, tear it and place it covering the whole bun in a way of giving it height and a crunch. Top it up with thinly sliced boiled potatoes. Sprinkle seasoning salt. Smear dollop of cilantro chutney to add kick and layer of spicy and complex flavor in between. Please refer to my videos link on top of this video for seasoning salt, spreads and chutney. Now add 2 slices of marble cheese or any other cheese of your choice to cut the bit of a spiciness and providing rich and creamy flavor and texture. Top it up with few fresh and juicy cucumber slices, followed by few other boiled potato slices, while seasoning each layer of sandwich to bring out the maximum flavors. Finish it with crunchy and juicy green pepper, red pepper slices with a hint of thinly sliced red onion to give the edge. And finish it with few slices of pickled jalapenos to round out the flavor. Cover the bun and secure it with wooden skewer. Cut it on bias and serve it with hot crispy fries and ketchup, or enjoy it as it is. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet you soon with next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.